In this video, I discuss the law relating to redundancy and suitable alternative roles. If an employee unreasonably refuses an offer of suitable alternative employment with the organisation or an associated employer, the employee will lose their right to a statutory redundancy payment. There are effectively two stages. Has there been an offer of suitable alternative employment? This involves making an assessment of the role in terms of, for example, status, pay, duties, hours, location, and whether the role is suitable for the particular employee. Then the second question to ask is, even if the role was suitable, whether it was still nevertheless reasonable for the employee to turn the role down. Factors to consider could include the circumstances in which the offer was made, whether the role is temporary or permanent, and the employee's personal situation. Personal matters could include, for example, status, whether there's been a request to relocate, commuting times and costs, and career paths. Each case will depend on the circumstances, but this is the correct approach. An employee is entitled to a statutory trial period for the alternative role, which lasts 4 weeks. This could be extended for the purposes of training, if agreed in writing. If, for instance, an employee gives notice during the trial period, the question will still be, for the purposes of a statutory redundancy payment, whether the employee unreasonably refused an offer of suitable employment. In order to defend an unfair dismissal claim, as part of the requirement to follow a fair process, employers need to search for suitable alternative roles. There is no obligation to create new roles, but employers should carry out a thorough search for suitable alternative roles within the organisation and possibly within group companies too. For more information, do visit my website. Remember that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. Also, the law can change. And finally, please subscribe to my channel for updates.